Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other, and today we're going to be looking at on how to play music on Discord. So first and foremost, you can always play music by going to the general chat, sharing your screen, and then sharing a stream. That is one way of sharing your music. And the other way is to add a bot to your channel. So a few of the favorite bots for music is Fredbot. Rhythmbot has been shut down, so we won't be able to use Rhythmbot anymore. But what you want to do is, type in Fredbot and then invite that to your channel. This is our, I hope this is the right one, right? Yeah. Wait, it's just a test server. And then you want to authorize Fredbot to access your Discord. You know how I showed the MeBot stuff? Basically, you'll have to add Fredbot. Without adding Fredbot, you won't be able to play music from YouTube or anywhere else. So now I'm just gonna log in with my Discord, authorize it once again. It's kind of a longer procedure, but hey. Now all we want to do is go to the dashboard. Please go to Discord and join a channel. Join a Discord channel. And then as you can see, that's it. So from here, basically Fredbot has a few. We're gonna make a music channel as well. Let's just name it music. So basically these are the commands. So once you just want to press on command, so play and then select a YouTube video, for example. Now what's a song we could play? What's a popular song? I'm not really sure about any popular songs. I'll just select something from my playlist over here. Under Pressure. Alright, play Under Pressure. And then it will select you. It will ask you to select which one do you want. And then we want the Riley and Chase Atlantica, but it's not here, so we're just gonna select something, and then Fredbot's gonna join your channel and play the music. We want him to leave, so and then yeah, that's it. Playing music is as easy as that on Discord. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.